getting the culture right, getting the right kind of
Mm.
people?
Mm.
How challenging was it?
So I think the our roots explain a lot of our current situation. So our roots in 2014 was in college. So there
Mhm.
were two colleges primarily in India, NSIT and VIT Chennai, where this started. My co-founder Harit is from VIT Chennai,
Mhm.
and me and Jaskira, the other two co-founders, are from NSIT.
Okay.
And there were a lot of other core people as well in essentially sports that time. So at that point, it was not supposed to be a venture. It was
Mhm.
more of a expression for us. And turns out a lot of people wanted to express. I myself started as a cricket writer in essentially sports. So a lot of people across these colleges and across India just wanted to express themselves. They blogging somehow as a community also has been always open to do things online, and it never really had an office as a culture as well. Then at that time it was common to do like college societies used to be a thing, right? And people used to put in a lot of effort in college society, so it kind of became like that as well, because you would just generally get the new juniors who come into college, they would get to know that okay, this exists and it's happening around 2018. So around 2017 all of us graduated and a lot of things started to happen in life, but this continued, this existed. The team, the volunteer team, the 260 people volunteer team that we had reached in 2014 till 2016 started to go down, and around 2017-18 it was just 2-3 people left keeping it alive and keeping it moving. But I think that journey gave us the idea what really culture means and how to create that energy.
Mhm.
And I always say this to my team and everybody I talk to about essentially sports, that the company sports has always united us. It's more than the vision statement, more than what the company does, etc. It's that
It's the
everybody
core
who
of
is
that.
attracted to sport just comes to the company automatically,
Mm.
and they are here for the sport, and we just
Right.
let them do that very
Right.
well, which nobody else does, I guess. So that's why it's always attracted.